Residential proxies are authentic, data center proxies are fast. But what if you need both? Let's talk about the hybrid solution that can change the way you scale your workflow: ISP Proxies. ISP Proxies route traffic through IPs registered to real internet service providers while being hosted on stable data center hardware. Unlike residential proxies that can be unpredictable, relying on end-user connections, or data center proxies that can be easier to detect, these strike the perfect balance. This combination allows continuous connectivity without sacrificing reliability, reputation, or performance. Advantages of ISP proxies that make them a practical solution for high-demand workflows include stable sessions ensuring long-lasting connections so operations can run without interruptions, trusted IP reputation making requests appear legitimate to reduce blocks, captures, and rate-limiting issues, low latency performance delivering fast response times for efficient automation, monitoring, and high-volume operations, and predictable scalability providing on-demand access to IPs and unlimited bandwidth, ensuring consistent availability and reliable integration. Of course, no proxy type solves every challenge, so here are the disadvantages of ISP proxies to consider. High cost compared to other proxy type, so teams may need to balance performance and budget for large-scale deployments. Limited geodiversity, so the number of locations available may be smaller than residential IP pools, potentially limiting precise geotargeting, and potential detectability as many IPs come from the same data centers and often share subnets, so patterns could become noticeable if not managed carefully. Best use cases for ISP proxies cover a wide range of workflows. Here's where they're most beneficial, starting with number 1, high-volume web scraping. When scraper blocking and IP bans are common risks, ISP proxies give you the perfect balance between legitimacy and performance. Their trusted IP reputation makes traffic appear genuine, allowing you to avoid constant bans and captures that interrupt data collection, maintain long, stable sessions for consistent results, and scale scraping operations confidently without raising red flags. And because ISP proxies often come with unlimited bandwidth, you can run large-scale scraping projects without worrying about data limits or hidden overage costs. That means smoother scaling, predictable costs, and uninterrupted performance. Number 2, ad verification at scale. Ad verification depends on precision, stability, and authenticity. 3 things ISP proxies handle exceptionally well. With IPs sourced from real ISPs and hosted on reliable infrastructure, they allow you to verify ads under real-world conditions that reflect genuine user behavior, detect ad fraud, compliance violations, and regional discrepancies accurately, and maintain stable, clean connections during verification cycles. By combining performance with authenticity, ISP proxies help ensure your ad campaigns run transparently and deliver accurate insights across every region. Number 3, automated testing and QA. Testing and quality assurance demand stable, predictable environments where every iteration can be measured accurately. With their stable sessions and low latency, ISP proxies make it easy to simulate consistent, realistic user sessions across multiple test cycles, monitor system behavior under authentic network conditions without interference, and prevent session dropouts or IP resets that could disrupt automated workflows. As a result, automated testing runs smoothly and QA becomes a predictable, scalable part of your workflow. Number 4, price monitoring and market intelligence. Accurate, timely data is essential for competitive analysis and pricing strategies. ISP proxies combine stable performance with trusted IP reputation to continuously collect large datasets without triggering blocks or captures, access region-specific content reliably, ensuring precise market insights, and keep tracking tools running smoothly with minimal errors or downtime. These capabilities make ISP proxies a dependable tool for real-time market insights, helping you reduce blind spots, capture actionable data, and make informed business decisions. And number 5, account management and platform integrations. Managing multiple accounts or automation workflows often triggers security filters, but ISP proxies help you stay under the radar. They allow you to maintain consistent IP identities to prevent sudden logouts, bans or session resets, run platform integrations and automation tools reliably without triggering IP-based restrictions, and keep long-lasting, stable sessions for uninterrupted workflows and smoother performance. It's a solution that keeps operations stable, reliable, and scalable across multi-account and automated systems. Now, while ISP proxies provide stability and legitimacy for critical operations, not all of them work the same. Static ISP proxies have fixed, dedicated IPs with unlimited bandwidth, providing maximum stability and consistent performance. They're perfect when you need uninterrupted sessions and predictable workflows. And rotating ISP proxies are dynamic IPs shared across multiple users and come with controlled bandwidth. This makes them better suited for workflows that require frequent IP changes and broad coverage rather than long-term stability. ISP proxies aren't the right fit for every workflow, but when stability, legitimacy, and reliable IP reputation matter, whether for high-volume scraping, ad verification, or multi-account management, they can help teams run operations smoothly, minimize disruptions, and scale with confidence. Not sure if static or rotating ISP proxies make the most sense for your operation? Either way, reach out to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you design a proxy strategy that scales with your goals.